Maybe a lot of you have been in a situation where you have had a difficult day.
Mama?
You have returned home a bit later than usual, and your guests are arriving soon. Oh no! We still need to cook! Don't worry, with only 3 essential ingredients and 2 pans, you will create an unforgettable dish. If you want to cook with us, get ready with the ingredients!
Ciao a tutti! The dish of today is one of my favorite dishes. Very beautiful to look in. The successful is our show. You want to know what is it?
Pasta con shrimp.
Pasta with shrimp. Let's start. Step number 1. I clean the shrimps.
Add salt into a bowl with water. Remove the carapace, which is the head and the skin of the shrimp, with your hands. However, if you find it too difficult, you can use scissors. Do not throw away the head and the skin, because here in Toni's home, we do not waste anything. Remove the black string, which is its digestive tract. The dark color means it's filled with grit. You don't want your guests to chew on sand, so make sure you remove this black thingy. Finally, we rinse the shrimp in the salty water and put it into a small bowl.
Now that the shrimp are cleaned, I put inside the fridge. Step number 2. I prepare fish stock. If you want to know how to make a fish stock in the details, watch this video. For make the fish stock, you need the capers, the stem of parsley, 1 garlic, and water. And now,
We need a cooking.
Fish stock enhances the flavor of this dish. It will need less water, oil, and is cooked quicker than a traditional fish stock, say 20 to 30 minutes.
step number 3.
2.
I have to cook the base for our spaghetti. And now, for prepare this base, I need my best friend. Giulia, chi è il mio amico preferito?
Toni's knife.
My Chinese knife. Subscribe.
Oh yeah?
Cut your spring onion, leek, and chili if you like spicy.
Extra virgin olive oil. A little more.
Scoop up your vegetables and put them in a cold pan with oil.
Spring onion and leek.
We don't put them in a hot pan because we don't want them to brown. You may be wondering why. It is because the taste of browned vegetables would overpower the flavor of the other ingredients. We let the vegetables gently cook. Add some fish stock. And this is how the condiment should look like. Just a bit brown, soft, with the leek a bit clear and not too watery.
Step number 4. I cook pasta. Today I want to cook the pasta in special way. In Italian I say risottata. This means to cook like risotto. I have to choose or white spaghetti or black spaghetti. Giulia, what you want? Black or white? Questa, what is that? White. Okay.
Pasta risottata will allow the spaghetti to absorb a lot of the condiment flavors and have a creamy texture coming from the starch. Watch until the end while I try to explain. Add some fish stock in your pan. Remove the shrimp heads and squish them so the juice can give more taste to the condiment. If you don't have heat-resistant hands like Mom does, then let the heads cool off for a while. Take a pan large enough to fit straight raw spaghetti in. Don't worry about burning them.
Metti qua.
Today, Mom chose a small pan so the spaghetti cannot fit. No problem. Even if some spaghetti leap off the pan, the steam will make them bend. Add your white wine. Make sure you don't mix. Only move the pasta slightly to make sure it is inside the pan. Once the stock evaporates, pour in the fish stock. Another very important tip is never lower the heat. If you are running out of fish stock while cooking, just add some water in it and let it boil for a while.
È perfetta. Ok, Giulia, servono i gamberi.
I nearly forgot about the shrimp. In fact, we only add them when the pasta is al dente and not earlier, or else the shrimps will be overcooked. When the shrimp becomes pink on one side, flip it. Some ground pepper, and we're finished!
Step number 5, magna moment! Yeah! Mangio io o mangi tu?
No. First me.
First you! Oh! Com'è Giulia? Non buono! Buonissimo! Che fai? If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and push the belly. Oh, the bell! Every day is a sunny day in Toni's home. Ciao!
What will we do with this extra condiment in the pan? Turn on the fire. Once it heats up, melt the butter. And now, add some flour. Of course, it is dry, so filter the fish stock into the pan and keep mixing until all the ingredients blend together. Whoa, it sure is amazing with bread. See you in the next episodes of Toni's Home. We upload every Thursday.
LEEK.